Alright, so putting the car on the diet of its electrical mishaps. Because if we know we don't need it, we don't need it. And look at that. Everything just got a lot simpler, didn't it? So we're probably going to want to crimp that together better. Check for any real damage, because that looks like that's been into. Looks fine. Alright, so we found a bunch of electrical mishaps. So we know there are some. That makes me question everything that is here. So I see tape, I start taking it off. Let's start getting it out of here. Now all the evidence left behind tells a story. It's probably our problem right there. Or part of the problem. I see more tape, so